Hello everyone, happy Monday. I believe you're gonna have a foundation wear test tomorrow that says happy Monday, but I saw that this came in, my Boxycharm, so I decided to make this today's video, and that way I could put the videos together for the foundation wear test. So this is my June Boxycharm, and oh my gosh, that feels so good. My AC just kicked on. It feels like it's 100 degrees outside here in Texas. I went grocery shopping and I had to bring the groceries in the house, and then I had to put them away, but I had to take them out of the stores, put them in the car. It's hot. Okay, I got this open. I got my little calculator I'm gonna turn on in case there's a little thing in there telling me the prices of everything. All right, there is, and here's what it looks like inside. And this month is Boxycharm, the Oasis. And then there's a little thing on the back that tells the prices. Okay, so we are gonna go first with Beauty Vault Circadian Lip Liner Trio. Our lip liners are buttery smooth, which glide on and blend easily. They are richly pigmented and long wearing, $18. So, Beauty Vault, I guess there's trio, so that means 3. Oh, there's 3 lip liners in here. And they look like this. Those are actually colors I'll wear too. Let's grab, no, we're not gonna do the red one. Let's put that back on. Let's use this nude, and this is called Bow Babe. Looks like this, and let's go ahead and looks really good. Let me find a lip gloss or a lip, yeah. We'll use this Ofra Millie with the Samantha March collection. Sometimes if you get a good gloss and a really good lip liner, you don't have to do the lipstick. I like that. I like that. Okay, and that did glide on really easily, so I can't wait. The red one is called Nasty Nat. Then this one is another nude one. It's called Cozy Kira. I like those. All right, I picked this. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I got the shade Lickable. I had the Illuminati one, so I was glad that I didn't get that one. But these powder highlights are so stunning. I don't want to open this one all the way. It's got the little thing. I'd rather wait till I'm going to use it. But I'll see if I can reach the other one so I can show y'all. That's AOA. This is Artist Couture. And this is the Illuminati one. Let me show you these. Looks like that inside. It's just a mini. And I just reached inside the lid. I love his highlighters. He does such a good job. Let me go ahead and put some on here. I'm done going places for the day. So we could highlight to the moon if we want. Really nice, really nice. So I can't wait to use that other one. All right. And that is MSRP $27. All right, let me move these things that didn't come in the box. All right, put that back in the box. All right, these 3 can go back in the box also. I think I feel a highlighter palette. I mean a eyeshadow palette. All right, the next thing we got is QMS Mellow Cosmetics Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Cream. Looks like this. If it's sealed, I won't mess with it. Oh, it's not sealed. Oh, it smells good. I don't mind getting skincare in here because sometimes there'll be stuff I wouldn't buy for myself. That is very creamy. And it has like no real scent to it. QMS, I've heard of them before. QMS Mellow Cosmetics Intensive Eye Care Nurturing Formula developed to rejuvenate, hydrate, and care for the sensitive skin around the eyes. With its multi-action formulation featuring natural firming extracts and intensely moisturizing ingredients, Intensive Eye Care provides targeted treatment to the delicate skin in the eye zone. Its rich, nurturing texture is both gentle and highly effective in helping to reduce fine lines and dark circles and puffiness. MSRP $132 for this little jar. And I just put some on my arm for no reason. Okay. And let me remind you, you only pay around $20, $25 a month for this box. So let's go ahead and put that $132. Yeah, that's gold there. Glassy Skin Balm by Touch and Soul. This is an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates an ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And it comes in a package. It looks like this. Let's go ahead and open it. And then it's got this really deep lid. And then it's got that over the top. Oh, it smells good. Let me feel the texture off the lid. I'll put it on my hand right there. I don't know if you could tell. We'll see if that works. All right, and this is $32. So we're gonna add plus 32. All right, and the final thing is Shared Planet Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my gosh. This is heavy. Polar Bear Collection Eyeshadow Palette. Here you go. Look at that packaging. This is very, very heavy. Like, and this looks like it's a cardboard. So, wow. You get, how much product are you getting in here? It's vegan, 12 months. Icy hues of the Arctic Shared Planet's Polar Bear Palette combines select 12. All right. Wow. This, I'm telling you, I don't know if y'all have ever felt these palettes, but this is heavy. I'm not exaggerating. This is heavier, if not the same, as Tati's big palette with that big old mirror. But here you go. Let's put our fingers in. Let's grab some, because I've had some stuff on my hands. Let's go ahead and grab the hand sanitizer, because I had some of the eye cream and stuff. Wow. There's two shades calling my name. The Polar and Avalanche. This one's Polar and this one's Avalanche. Oh, look at that. It's like white. Oh my gosh, when I look down at it, it's purple. I don't know how to get that to show up to y'all. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to use this, and I'm probably going to buy more of their stuff because this is a nice beefy palette. This is MSRP $48. So for everything that I got in my box this month, because that's everything, was $257. And I honestly want to say that is almost the exact amount I paid for a year's subscription. So overall, I just can't get over these. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to swatch those and put them on my Instagram. See if I could get the colors to show up better. Wow. And look, I could put them out. I'm like, whatever I had on, I could move it and it's like, oh my gosh. Let me know if y'all want me to use that Friday. Holy moly. I can't wait to get that on my eyes. So, overall, I love this box. I mean, the eye cream was set me back a little bit. But, you know, surprise, surprise. I hope y'all have a wonderful Monday. Love y'all. Be safe. Bye.